Welcome to eVidya Bag channel. Till now, in the last class, we have seen about knowing our numbers up to 6th bit. Now, move to 7th bit, that is this one. Okay, in this, observe from 4 digit numbers with the digits 4, 0, 3, 7. What are the digits given here? 4. See, wait a minute. What are the numbers given? 4, 0, 3, 7. These are the numbers given. And find which is the greatest and the smallest among them. How do you find here given 4 digit number? How do you find greatest number? Means first write down greatest number and smallest number. Greatest means first digit must be more. So you can write 7. After 7, which number is more? 4 is the bigger number. After 4, which one is the bigger number? 3. So after that, 0. Okay, this is the greatest number. Greatest number. Next move to smallest number. Here given 4 numbers. Now write down smallest number by using these 4 numbers. How do you write? Which is the smallest number here? 0 is the smallest number. Next smallest number 3. Next 4. Next 7. So this is the smallest number. This is the greatest number. 7430 is the greatest number. 347 is the smallest number. Okay, next move to 8th question. Here you have the 8th question. Okay, in the 8th question, what they asked, the smallest 4 digit number, the greatest 4 digit number, the smallest 5 digit number, the greatest 5 digit number. They asked the questions here. Smallest 4 digit, what is the smallest 4 digit number? Okay, I will tell you greatest numbers. You write down the and analyze and think. Greatest second question. Second bit, in the second bit, they asked that greatest 4 digit number. 9 is the greatest among the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, in these numbers, which one is the greatest number? 9 is the greatest number. So you can write 4 digit number. 9999 is the greatest number. Now tell me what is the smallest number. Okay, next fourth question, fourth bit, greatest 5 digit number, again 99999. Okay, 99,999. This is the greatest. What is the smallest number? Smallest 5 digit number? I will tell you in the next class. Please give the answers in the comment section. Okay, this is the greatest and the smallest number. Next, estimation and rounding of numbers. Look at this question. This bit subheading, estimation and rounding of the numbers. We can come across many situations in our daily life, such as, see here, sometimes we say that 25,000 people, nearly here they used the word nearly. See, 25,000 people nearly visited the Salarjung Museum. 9 lakh students approximately, roughly, 45,500 tons roughly. Okay, used means they are not telling exact numbers. They are not telling about the exact numbers. They are saying about the approximately, nearly, roughly. So we can't say these words. The words nearly, approximately, roughly do not show the exact number of the people or the material. In fact, 25,000 may be Okay, here says that 25,000 nearly. 25,000 nearly. It may be 24,975. Nearly means 24,975 or 25,045 or 25,050, like this. Any number nearly. They said that nearly here and there nearly 25,000 people are visited the Salarjung Museum. Next, see here, same way 9 lakh students means approximately 8 lakh 95,000 people, like that. Some approximate number is there, all are same. Okay, nearly, approximately, roughly, all these are same, but these shows does not show, these do not show the exact number of the people. Okay, so estimation is also good way of checking answers. We usually round up the numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, etc. Look at the following numbers and rounding off the numbers to the nearest ones. See here in the table given 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. 81 is nearest to 80 than 90. See here, 81 is nearer to 80, but 90 is somewhat far than the 81. So you can say that here 81 will be rounded off as 80. 81 we can round off as 80 because it is 81, we can round off as 80 because it is near to 80. Same way 85, if you take observe 85, it is equal distance from the 80 as well as 90. Okay, how do you round off this one? 85, but convention it is round off to 90. So, okay, this is nearer to this one, but nearer to this one, but you should, if equal distances between this one and this one, then you should take 90. Okay, if you have 75, 80, 60, then you should take 90. 80 is the round off. Next, move to 88. Is 88 is nearer to 90 or 80? It is nearer to 90. So you should take approximate value as the 88, approximate value as the 90. You should take round off at the 90. This is a rounding of the numbers to nearest values. Okay, this is for the tens, rounding of the numbers of the tens numbers. Next, if you move to hundreds, how do you round off the numbers? See here in the tabular column here given that 200, 200, 210, 220, 300, 240, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300. 220 is nearer to 200 or 300. This is nearer to 200. So you can round it off 220 as 200. Okay, next 280 is nearer to 300, so you can round it off 280 as 300, round off. So it is rounded off as 3. What is the rounding of number of 250? Tell me, what is the rounding number of 250? Why it is so? Do you know about this one? Why it is so? Rounding of number of 250 and why it is so? Tell me. 250 I already told you in place of the tens, that is 85 is rounded off to 90. Same way 250 is rounded off to 300, not 200. Okay. Okay. Convention, it is rounded to 300. Next, move to round off these numbers as directed. 48. How do you round off this one? 48. 50. Okay. 60. See here the problem, I will tell you. Okay, here see, 48, 62, 81, 44. 62 is rounded off to, tell me, 62 is rounded off to 60 because it is nearer to 60. Next, see, 81. 81 is rounded off to 80, 81, 82, 83, like that you have. So it is rounded off to 80. 81 is rounded off to 80. 94 is rounded off to 90. 94 is nearer to, 94 is nearer to here 90. So 94 is rounded off to 90. 27 is rounded off to, tell me, 27 is rounded here. This number is rounded off to, it is nearer to 30. So rounded off to 30. Okay, same way all these numbers, these are the 100 numbers, hundreds. Okay, observe all these things, think and discuss and write here. Discuss with your friends about rounding of the numbers, tens, thousands, place. Okay, next, revision of place value. See here, revision of place value. How do you revise this one? You have already learned how to expand a number using place value. Recall how you expand a 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit and the 5 digit. See here, how do you expand this one? I think you already know that. 64. How do you expand? Here you have two numbers. So you already know that this is the tens place and ones place. Okay, under 10 what number is there? 6. Under ones 4. Okay, you can write in this way. 6 is in tens place. So you can write 6 into 10 plus 4 into 1. So you can write 60 plus 4. Now expand one more number, that is 526. Expand this one. Here hundreds are there, 500. So 100, tens, ones. Okay, under hundreds 526. I told you that 526. Now write down this one, hundreds, tens, ones. What number is there under 100? 5. Under tens 2, under ones 6. So you can write 500 plus 20 plus 6. Okay, means 5 into 100, 2 into 10, 6 into 1. You can write in this way. This is about the expansion. Same way. Okay, here thousands and 10,000s. Right here this one. Next, move to expand all these things. Do these exercises. How do you expand this one? 34. Just expand this one. 34,400. How do you write? 3 into 10,000. Okay, plus 8 into 1000. Okay, plus 4 into 100 plus 0 plus 0. Expand in this way. Okay. Just tens. See, nearest to 10, 90. Okay, 89, nearest to 10, 90. 415. 415. How do you write this one? 4, 20. Nearest value 4951. So you can write 3900. 3951, 3900. Same way, do all these exercises. Round up the following numbers to the nearest hundreds. 95, 700. Okay, just write down the numbers. Just look at the tens and write down here. 51. 3951, which is the number. Write down the nearest number. Tens. 3951 is nearer to 50, so 3950. If you see here, 094410. Write down nearest value. Same way, see here hundreds. In the second bit they given 695, which is this number is nearest to 700. Okay, next 36,152. In this, look at the 152. This is nearer to 150, so 36,150. 36,150. 648. 13,650. Next 33,620, because in the question they asked about the nearest 100, so move to only 100 values and round the values. Nearest tens, so in the question they asked about the tens, so look at these things, 15 and 51. Okay, 89. And here they asked about in the second bit they asked about the hundreds. Okay, so look at the hundreds. 695, 152, 648, 618, like this. See here, nearest thousands they asked, so just look at thousands and 0, 1, 2, 4, like this. Write the numbers in short form. How do you write this number? Okay, 3000. Write this number in this way, 3407. Here this one is 30,525. Okay, observe this one, 12,351. 99,999. Okay, for this is for this. Okay, observe all this introduction of large numbers. See, okay. Okay, we will discuss this introduction of large numbers